FAQ number 2. Can we propagate a half broken succulent like this? Unfortunately no guys, you need to have a clean cut like this. As you can see over here, this is where the pup will be growing, this is where the roots are going to be emerging. So it has to be a clean cut at all point of time whenever you are plucking out the leaves from your mother plant. Gently turn and twist very gently so that you get a clean cut. If you have a half broken leaf like this, this is not going to propagate. Even a lot of times people tend to take out the leaf and this portion is left on the stem. If you are going to have a leaf like this, this is not going to propagate. There is a very small chance that it might, but that is like out of 100, probably 1% would be working out, but almost 99.9% this leaf is not going to get propagated. It will start to rot. So ensure that whenever you are taking your leaf, you ensure that you have a clean cut like this. In this case, this leaf can be discarded. Very soon this leaf will get rotted. It is not going to produce any pup. Even if the cut is half left on the stem as well, it is not going to work out. This part will also start to rot, which is connected to the stem of the mother plant. So I hope that this second FAQ was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it.